download and install JD-Gui tool. So in this video what we are going to learn, first of all we will learn about what is JD-Gui tool and then how we can use JD-Gui tool to perform reverse engineering. So first of all we need to download JD-Gui tool from internet and then I will show you that how we can use it. So open google.com. So guys, we are here at google.com and on Google you can type download JD-Gui tool and hit enter. So you can see here that these all are the links available. So you can open up this link or you can use Softpedia link to download this tool. Here it is. So this is called Java decompiler, right? So because we already have Java file, in the previous video we have converted APK into jar file, so we have Java file. Now we can decompile this Java file to get the source code, right? So you can see here that about JD-Gui, that JD-Gui tool is a standalone graphical utility that displays Java source code of .class file. So basically it converts that file into the source code. You can browse the reconstructed source code with the JD-Gui for instant access to methods and fields, right? So you can see JD-Gui looks like this. You can click on downloads and you can download JD-Gui tool. Otherwise you can also use Softpedia link to download it. So you can click on this 1.4.0.jar file, or you can use this one for Windows. So you can also click on JD-Gui-Windows 1.4.0. This is a zip file, right? So you need to download this file because we are doing it for Windows operating system. So that's why you can click on this one. So guys, we have downloaded JD-Gui windows.zip file and you can click on this file to open the files inside it. So this is JD-Gui Windows, double click on it. And here you can find .exe file. This is an application file, so you can double click on it and run this file. So this is here, this one, here it is. So you can see here that this is called Java decompiler, and by using this tool you can open the source code files from jar files. Jar means Java files. So we already have a jar file, here it is. So you can see here that we have converted ig.apk into ig.jar file. So you just need to drag and drop this file inside this tool to open the source code file. So let me just drag and drop this file here. So here you can see that it has automatically opened these files inside it. You can see here com.learner file, so you can find out all the activity code files here. So when you, for example, if we are working on lesson 2 activity, so you click on lesson 2 activity and here you will get information about the code. So you can see here that we can easily see the code and we can easily analyze this code by using JD-Gui tool. So that's why JD-Gui tool is really important to analyze the code. Okay, so now the task was that you need to find out the file inside the source code. So let me check if there is any file available or not. So you can see here that in this function you can see here that private string get file name, right? So you can see it is returning get date, get phone number and .txt, right? So I think this is the file which we need. So you can see here get date. Get date means, so when you click on get date, so this is get date in the form of YYYMMGD. It means your current date. And get phone number. So how you can get the phone number? You can get the phone number by using your Android application. So let me show you. So this is the Android application. Now you can go to the home. Again you can click on your settings of your phone, settings, right? Click on system and you can search here about phone. So this is phone number, click here. So here is your phone number 555 521 5554. So this is the phone number which we got. So we got the date, we got the phone number, and then you just need to add .txt after that. So this is the file name which we got using JD-Gui tool. So our task is completed. We got the file, we got the information inside that file, and we have date, we have phone number, and you just need to append with .txt after that. So this is all about the reverse engineering process using text to jar tool and JD-Gui tool, and we have successfully completed reverse engineering because we got the source code file from APK file. So that's all about the task. If we talk about the section summary, then in this section we have covered, first of all, what is reverse engineering and the task information, then what are the tools available inside this section that we are going to use, like text to jar and JD-Gui, and finally we have seen that how we can analyze this source code file using JD-Gui tool and how we can find out that cheated file. So this is all about this section, and I hope you have enjoyed. In the next section we are going to learn about Android pen testing, break encryption in Android. Thank you so much.